My name is Josh Waldmire, and I'm the current owner of the Cozy Dog Drive-In. My grandfather originally wanted to call them Crusty Curs, and my grandmother didn't think that it sounded too delicious, so she came up with the word Cozy Dog after the cozy couple holding each other in a loving embrace, and it just was a fun, warm name. A Cozy Dog, the main difference is it has separate ingredients than what a normal corn dog has. On average, we sell 300 to 400 per day, but in our summer months, we've been known to sell up to 800 to 900 plus dogs in one day. Every Cozy Dog's made to order as the customers come in, so they can see their Cozy Dogs being made. When customers come in, the type of experience I like them to have is just a pleasant and enjoyable experience. We like to make them feel at home and even like a part of our family. Springfield, to me, it's my home. I grew up here. We're the capital, so we have travelers from all over the world. They see us online and they're just so intrigued with the Cozy Dog that they want to come in here and have the food, and it's just a wonderful place to have a business. I love working here because it gives me the chance to continue my family's tradition, and also gives me the opportunity to maybe one day my daughter might want to take over. To me, that means a lot. It's something that I could possibly hand over one day.